Internet. Mike Bertolini here, and today I'm actually going to be unboxing a mysterious package that I got in my mail today. I'm not entirely sure where it's from. It just says e-fulfillment services shipping manager. Doesn't tell me a lot. So, without further ado, I'm just going to open this. We'll take a look at it. Now, my knife here. Okay. Paladin role-playing. And, okay. Now, aside from the brown paper, which I am sure some people would find exciting. See, which I'm not going to show you. Look at these dice. Out of the way. So look at these. I don't know, let me this cute little die, and you can see inside them there's a little bit of coloring. This was a Kickstarter backed Starfarer sci-fi RPG dice, transparent with blue swirls. Okay. Definitely sci-fi looking at the numbers. And the blue swirls, they're subtle, but good. Seem to roll good. I like collecting dice because I tend to play role-playing games online, so I don't use physical dice all that often. So this is just more for me, for fun, because I like collecting dice. I'm going to put a link to the Kickstarter page down below in the description. So if these dice are available for purchase, there will be a link there. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching this really short video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're interested. Again, this is going to be one of my last videos before I start my new job, so the videos are going to be few and far between. But that being said, thanks for watching, and have a great day.